This is Project Ransom, an ECD custom soft-top Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Ransom is painted in full gloss Keswick green with black accents all round. Ransom sits on 16-inch OEM Wolf wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features our 4-point convertible roll cage, fold-down side steps and classic front grille. Inside, Ransom features an Evander steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 heated and ventilated Puma Classic front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 2 benches in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in horizontal Porsche Napa brown leather, stitched together in a matching brown stitch. Ransom is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern touches such as Apple CarPlay, JL Audio sound system, rear AC, and access to USB ports. I know our clients won't mind me saying the design process for this vehicle was one of the most involved we've ever been through with a client. Our client here is in the design world and it truly shows. They have created one of the most sympathetic, classic, but utterly luxurious designs we've seen on a 110 soft top. A true credit to the new owner.